And guess what today is? It's my birthday! Yay! And I'm spending it on a cruise. And now we're in port on Grand Turk. And so I'm gonna go explore this. It's a small, the island that it's on, it's small. So it takes about 2 hours to explore everything. So I'm gonna go and explore it in my t-shirt that I designed. Like it, see, it says happy birthday to me. And I do sell this t-shirt and other t-shirts on Amazon under my brand name Tangela Couture. So if you like it or want other t-shirts, you can go to Amazon and just search for that. And also, as I mentioned before, I brought along my hair samples to test. So I did test when I was in Nassau. I tested the white version, so now I'm going to test the pink version. Because of course it's hot outside, so once I go exploring, afterwards I come back, my hair is gonna be sweaty. I'm not gonna wash it. I'm on vacation for 7 days. I'm not gonna wash my hair because I don't plan on going swimming or anything, but just walking around in the sun. My hair is gonna get sweaty, so to make it refresh and to just combat the sweat in my hair, of course I brought along my samples to test. So they're samples on a cruise, so that when I get back in town, I'm gonna tell the manufacturer whether I like this version or the white version, even though they're actually the same formula, but they just look different, which one I prefer for them to put into production. So again, yay, happy birthday to me. I'm gonna go explore Grand Turk, so I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, so I'm in Grand Turk now, so I'm just gonna find a taxi and do an excursion to see this wonderful place. Alright, talk to you later. Okay, so I have found a taxi to take an excursion, so just waiting for a little bit before I leave. It's just giving you a view of Grand Turk in the port area. Okay, so I'm gonna go hop on my taxi now and see you later. So I'm here exploring Grand Turk. Took a taxi, so I'm just exploring. I'm by the seaside. Okay, so I'm here walking around in Grand Turk. Oh, and I'm getting sweaty. So you know my hair is sweaty and it's gonna need a refresh for the rest of the day. Oh, I'm gonna go buy something now to remind me of my trip here. Alright, so I'm just going into the store right now. Probably buy a t-shirt. Oh, walking back to my bus now. I went to go buy something, but they didn't have the style or the size I was looking for. So I am sweating. Woo, in this nice Caribbean heat. Alright, so later, going back into my vehicle now, so I can continue on the tour of this island. Maybe you could do one of us too.
Wait. Oh, is that a video?
Oh, is it on video? Oh. So I'm still in Grand Turk and I'm at the Northeast Reef area. The tour guide said that this is where the Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea meets. I guess that's why the water is like rough. Ooh, sun is just beating down. Okay, so now leaving from the lighthouse store, Grand Turk, and leaving this area to continue on my excursion of this island, enjoying the hot Caribbean sun and the cool breeze. Okay, so going back to the tour bus now. Woo, so sweaty. My hair is so sweaty. Enjoying the music. Hey. So I just came back from my excursion off the Grand Turk Island and it was fun. The driver that I had, he just talked. He knew a lot about this area because he was born here, so it was fun. So I'm just gonna go now to the stores and see if there's anything that I want to purchase. Okay, so just came back on the ship from exploring the Turks and Caicos, Grand Turk Island. It took about almost 2 hours to do that. The taxi man who took us around, well, the bus that I was in, he was knowledgeable about everything because he was born here. So he told us a lot about himself and the island. And so when I came back in, look what they left for me. The captain, they gave me a birthday card. Can you see it? Oops. Let me see if you can see it. You can see? Okay, there it is. Just a little birthday card and some cakes. Can you see that? Let me see. Yeah, cupcakes. That was nice of them. Of course, being in the hot Caribbean sun, I am sweaty. So I'm just cooling off my face with some witch hazel before I go eat. And of course my hair is sweaty, so definitely gonna refresh it with my sample, with this pink sample. So just gonna go ahead and do that to refresh it and to kind of gotta get my comb out. Gotta comb out my hair before I spray it. Just to, and what I'm using is the leave-in sweat remover spray, the testing sample still. Oh, I forgot the paper. Because where's my paper? You're supposed to like spray it in the hair and then wipe it out. Hold on, let me get my paper. Okay, so now that I have my paper, because I walk with some paper towel from home, so I'm just gonna spray my hair to absorb the sweat and wipe the sweat out, because that's what makes this different from other. This is better than dry shampoo. I don't call what I have producing dry shampoo, because it's better. With dry shampoo, you let it sit in your hair. With this, I'm wiping out the sweat, and I'm not going to get all the sweat out either, but at least the majority I can get out, so that my hair can be healthy until when I get back home to wash my hair, and also to make it sweet. And being in the sun, when you sweat, of course, bacteria can build up on your scalp and in your hair. So my spray also neutralizes odor, because it neutralizes the bacteria that can cause your sweat to smell. So just going all over with it. And of course you can just spray it on the paper too. Oops. And wipe it all over your hair as well. So as I mentioned, when I went to Nassau, I used the white version. So now I'm using this pink version of it. So just giving my hair a good wipe to just neutralize that sweat, get rid of the sweat, as much as the sweat as I can, and refresh my hair before I go mix with people and get something to eat. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna let my hair air dry. You can always blow dry hair if you want to, but I normally just let my hair air dry. So I am going to go get something to eat now with my nice smelling hair, and I'll talk to you in another video when I go to my next port of call, which is tomorrow. So then I'll use my spray again, because I'm going to do another excursion, because I haven't been to that island, and I'll discuss that with you tomorrow. Alright, bye.